Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ozlumba Chisom. Today's tutorial will be on Autofit in Excel. How to make use of Autofit in Excel without going through the process of stretching each column while typing on Excel. For example, you want to type something on Excel, you want to type a sentence on Excel, and this happened. Let me give a sentence on, let me say the man has two dogs. You see how it is. Like you have to go through the stress of always stretching the columns, and you keep on doing this as you type. Is always frustrating. So the simple way to do this, to go about this without going through the stress of always stretching columns like this, you will go down to your sheet name, you right click on it, you go to view code, you tap on view code, then you change this general to worksheet, you tap on worksheet, then you put the code that is columns, full stop, auto fit, you look for auto fit here, then double tap on it, then you go back to, you cancel, you go back to your Excel table. Oh, sorry. You go back to Excel table, then you type whatever you want to type. Let me say you want to type a name, Emmanuel John. You see, once you press enter, it will fit in automatically. You don't have to go through the stress of always stretching columns. And even if you type a longer name, a name longer than this, the first name, let me say Munachi Mary Ann Raymond. Once you press enter, it will still auto-fit. Even if you type a longer name or sentence, longer than the first or the second name that you input on Excel, once you press enter, everything automatically auto-fits. So please, if you love my tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell in case I post my next video on YouTube. Please, thank you for watching and bye for now.